This 2026 Forest River Sandpiper 3710 HBFB is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Surprise, Arizona, 85378 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Surprise. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Forest River is 42 feet 0 inches in length and features a driftwood interior, sleeps 7, slide-out, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, bunkhouse, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.